What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherri. Thank you so much for being here today. I really appreciate it. Today I have for you my Allure beauty box for December 2018. So this will be the second time that I filmed this. You guys probably have noticed a trend in me having to refilm things over and over again because I had crazy cheapo memory cards that kept corrupting my files. Well, this one, when I filmed this one for the first time, I had beautiful video but no sound. So yay me. Let's try this again. Let's see what happens. I'm going to go ahead and show you that there is a little pamphlet in here, and I'm sure most of you who are beauty enthusiasts will recognize Nikki Tutorials, and I believe her name is Nikki DeJager. I do not know how to say that, so I'm just going to say DeJager through the entire thing. Okay? I don't know if that's how you say it or not. But anyways, this box, I believe, has been curated by Nikki Tutorials. And so I'm going to go through this box and talk to you about what's in here. I already had some spoilers on this, so I knew some of the things that were coming through, and I'm pretty excited about the majority of them. So, like usual, the little pamphlet has promo codes. It has some information about what's in here, and so I'll condense it a little bit, but I will give you some information on each product. Okay? Alright, let's get started then. Alright guys, the first product is an Oprah Highlighter, and oh my goodness, I love Oprah Highlighters. In fact, one of my holy grails is Rodeo Drive, and today actually I'm wearing one called Pillow Talk. It's really pretty too. So this one is called the Oprah and Nikki Tutorials Everglow Highlighter, and as you can see, there's 3 different sections. I'll hold it up for you while I read to you about it. It says, you cannot become a YouTube superstar without being a master of strobing, so it shouldn't surprise anyone that DeJager's own highlighter gives you a glow you can see on Google Maps, or at least from across the room. Created in partnership with Oprah, a cruelty-free makeup brand, the formula is super smooth and buildable. You can layer it up until it's blinding, or you can use a light hand for a more natural looking glow, says Kathleen Sucio, a beauty assistant at Allure. It says, use a highlighter brush to target the areas where you want some radiance, like the tops of your cheekbones, your temples, and just above the tail of your eyebrows. Use a fluffier blush brush. If you use a fluffier blush brush, some glitter could fall onto your cheeks. It says all 3 shades swirled together make the prettiest rose gold. And of course, I probably would go for these 2 and maybe this one as an eyeshadow. It retails for $35 at ofracosmetics.com, and there's a promo code ALLURE30 at checkout for 30% off. Offered valid from December 1st, 2018 to February 1st, 2019. So now that I am filming this for a second time, I'm going to swatch these. I don't think I swatched it the first time. Why would I not swatch it for you guys? So those are the 3 colors. I'll swatch them on my hand, and then maybe I'll use whatever's left to swirl them together. Ooh, you guys, Oprah highlighters are the bomb. Forget about it. Okay, so I don't know if there's anything left on my finger. There's really not. Anyway, that's what they look like all mixed together, and it is a pretty rose gold. I'm not sure if there's equal amounts of each one, but it's whatever. Beautiful highlighter, and I'm super excited to have it. Yay. Next is the NYX Professional Makeup Lip Lingerie and Cabaret Show. I wasn't sure if I was going to open this on my first time around, but I ended up opening it. I'm not a huge fan of this formula, but I have started to use some lip balm underneath or some lip mask underneath, and also use some gloss on top, and that helps out some really dry liquid lipsticks. It says, like its namesake, this mauvey brown liquid lipstick is big on sex appeal and light on subtlety. It's the kind of rich, deep shade that makes your lips look fuller and fashiony at the same time, precisely why flattering browns like this one are so popular with beauty influencers. Just scroll through DeJager's Instagram and you'll see exactly what I mean. The matte finish is cool, if not exactly forgiving, so apply the color to the center of your lips first and blend out from there for the cleanest application. Blot your lips if the color looks uneven, or layer on a lip pencil for more precision. I also like applying it over lip balm to make the color a little less intense and to give it a velvety finish that for me feels more wearable. The price is $6.99. You can buy it at Ulta.com. This is available at almost all drugstores. A lot of drugstores are carrying NYX now. So Walgreens, CVS, that kind of thing. I think Walmart even carries NYX now. So I'm going to swatch this for you on my hand. It is a lot more rosy or mauve-y than I anticipated. I thought it was going to be a lot more brown. As I swatch this, it kind of is doing what it's done to me in the past, which is a little bit of patchiness, and that can really be kind of remedied by letting one layer dry and then kind of going back over with another. But I really do like the color. It's really a pretty fall shade, so I decided to keep this and give it a try. Put it where it go. Alright, next is the thing that I was the most excited about. I was surprised that it was so little. I didn't realize that she was going to choose shades and that this was going to be a mini. But I'm happy with the colors that they chose. And this is the custom eyeshadow palette by Juvia's Place. It says, De Jager and the team here at Allure swatched and swiped metallic eyeshadows to create a custom palette of 6 Juvia's Place shades for the Allure beauty box. We picked the colors from the brand's popular palette, the Nubian, shown above. Juvia's Place eyeshadows are very creamy and pigmented, so they're easy to work with. I had a bobby pin stuck to the magnet. Pretty classy business over here. Okay, I lost my spot. The eyeshadows are very creamy and pigmented, so they're easy to work with, says Devin Abelman, a digital beauty reporter at Allure, who helped choose the shades for the palette. You don't have to wear them for a lot of color. You don't have to layer them for a lot of color. You can do one swipe over your lids and go, or you can quickly buff the edges out for a smoky eye. She likes applying any one of the sparkling shades like the copper or rose gold with her fingers for a foil effect, or with a brush for a more diffused shimmery color. Smudge the matte brown along your lash line on its own or to complement the other shades. Try the reddish bronze as a smoky eye for a fun take on the burgundy shadow trend. The price is $20 for the Nubian eyeshadow palette. It's available at juviasplace.com. The promo code is enter code ALLURE at checkout to receive 10% off your order. It's valid from December 1st, 2018 to January 30th, 2019. Alright, so I've swatched these for you. This is the top row, this is the bottom row. You guys, which one of these is going to be my favorite? Obviously, that one. But this is beautiful, and it does have some nice transition shades along with it. So I think it's a nice little collection. I think this would be really great for anybody who is traveling. You could get a lot of different looks out of this. So I like it. I'm happy to have it, and it's a nice little thing that's not going to take up a bunch of space on my vanity. Alright, next is the Ren Clean Skincare Ever Calm Overnight Recovery Balm. So if you're looking for a great winter moisturizer, an excellent first step is asking someone who lives in Amsterdam, not exactly known for its balmy climate. Thank you, De Jager, for turning me on to Ren's Nighttime Balm. When my skin gets dry to the point of looking ashy, this pot of gold ushers away the flakiness better than a lot of rich creams I've tried. Its light oils, including almond, jojoba, and sunflower, melt into the skin without any greasiness or shine, and it calms redness. It's good for any skin type, even oily or sensitive. It says just don't layer it under serums or creams. They may not penetrate the balm. And what a waste of good skincare that would be. The retail price is $48. It's available at renskincare.com. The promo code is ALLURE18 to receive 20% off your order, excluding value sets. It's valid December 1st, 2018 to February 28th, 2019. So let's check out the scent and the consistency. It doesn't really have a scent, and it's very, it's kind of like an A&D ointment or like Vaseline. You can't really see it, but I could see this being a very nice night cream. I think I would put this on just to sink in all through the night, but it is sinking in very quickly. It's not greasy, but it is leaving the top of my hand super hydrated, so it feels nice. It's very silky. And it does kind of have a petroleum scent. Like, it's not a scent. It's unscented, but the smell of the product is kind of, smells like Vaseline. A petroleum jelly kind of smell, if you know what that smells like. But I would like to use this. I'm going to use this tonight and see what I think of it. I'm going to put it where it go. That's the funny part about, or the not so funny part about having to refilm things, is I do put them where they go, and then I have to go dig them all back out and make sure I know where they are. I have had this product before, but next is the Lash Splash Art-ki-Tekt Waterproof Slim Eyeliner. I really like this. I'm wearing it right now. I dug it out today because I really like it. It says makeup artists are only as good as the liquid eyeliner they keep, and man does DeJager know how to pick good company. This black liquid liner has a brush tip applicator with a sturdy but very fine tip, and it is a very fine tip, and that's what I love about this. Perfect for creating the most precise wing looks or for tracing your lashes with a thin yet buildable line. If you're not a famous makeup artist, the skinny tip will make easy work of tracing your lashes with a smooth line that makes them look fuller. The color is dark and saturated. I mean, this is really black, and they are not kidding when they say it's waterproof. The liner lasts all day and can even hold its own through a good cry, so bring on the sappy movies. It says that the price is $14. Where to buy it? Lash Splash Cosmetic. It's Lash Splash Cosmetics for 25% off. Does not apply to sale items and cannot be combined with other discounts. Valid from December 21st through March 31st, 2019. So I'm not going to put it over where I had that balm. I'll go here on my hand for you. You can make a very super thin line with it. You can go real thick with it. But you can see it's very matte and very black, and that's what I like in a liquid eyeliner. So I'm happy to have another one of these. I never pursued it. I got this in another box, and I never pursued buying another one, which I don't know why I never did. But $14 isn't a bad price if you compare to like $22 for Kat Von D, and I mean whatever. I don't even know how much the superhero one is that I use all the time. I think it's $24. So not a bad price, and I really like it. Alright, last is a Neutrogena Mini, and there is like all kinds of controversy around this because people were kind of flipping out about the excess packaging. It comes in a bag like this, and it has a bunch of singles in there. As for me, I like the idea of a single use in one package, because say you're going on a trip and you're going to be there for 2 or 3 nights, you can throw two or three of these into your bag, and you're taking up hardly any room, as opposed to something like this that's going to take up more room. I also like this in my purse for makeup emergencies. There are times you cry, you end up with black, or your eyes get all watery, or something happens and you have a mess on your face. You could at least get the black Alice Cooper thing out from underneath your eyes with one of these. So I like it. I do understand why people are flipping out over the packaging environmentally or whatever, but I still think this is a really cool product. And the last thing that is in the box is, it says a new look, and it shows what looks like a kind of a see-through little bag or pouch. It says that it's sleek, chic, and multifunctional. It says starting in January, you'll discover our makeover of the Allure Beauty Box, including a collectible limited edition pouch to reuse or share. And it says a sneak peek on the other side. What could be better than that? 6 amazing picks plus a bonus gift inside your shiny new pouch. Scratch off to reveal 2 of the products you'll receive, and I did that. It took 6.5 years, just saying. And it says I'm going to get a $136 plus box value, and 2 of my 6 products will be a Mally Evercover Shadow Stick Extra in Burnished Bronze, a Way Hair and Body Scrub, and it says plus a bonus gift that looks like a little fingernail polish. I was like all bummed out though, because I watched my friend Courtney's unboxing, and hers said 2 Sunday Riley products, but she she sent me a text that showed that everybody's going to get the Sunday Riley. They're just like teasing us, I guess, with this. But overall, I really am excited about this box. I'm excited about the highlighter, about the eyeliner, about the Juvia's Place palette. All of it is all okay with me, and actually the way that my skin feels from that Ren is super nice. And so I'm excited after I wash my face tonight to use that for my night cream and see what my face feels like when I wake up in the morning. You know, it's kind of like a test of any kind of really thick or strong emollient product, is to see that when you wake up the next morning, does your face feel like a baby bum? So that's it for me, you guys. I'm really happy with this. Like I said, I think this is my 3rd month and I have not been disappointed at all. I'm really happy about this subscription, and it's so much, there's so much variety in this compared to some of the other boxes. I think after you get a subscription for a while, things start all looking the same. You start getting repeat products. And so I canceled my Sephora Play, I canceled my Morphe Me. I'm sticking with FabFitFun, Boxy Charmin, Boxy Luxe, and Allure, and those are the ones that I'm sticking with for now. I may change my mind later on, I don't know. For now, I'm super happy with these. So thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I got in my Allure box. I still have not located my referral code. I know that sometimes whenever someone uses your referral link, I think you get some kind of product sent to you, or some kind of gift. I don't know. On occasion, you have to really read the fine print, because on occasion they'll have promotions, like the person who subscribes as well as the person who referred get a gift sometimes too. It's confusing, so you got to make sure and read the fine print. But you can get your box for $10 instead of $15, and I didn't even say any of that, did I? If you're not familiar with the Allure Beauty Box, it's $15 a month, and it comes once a month. I've been to the movie. I've had lots of popcorn. My brain is probably flipping out over the fact that I have had lots of carbs, and so just forgive me. I will attempt to get my referral link again and put it down in my description box before I post this video. So, back to the closing that I started a little while ago but didn't finish. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate it so much. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys. Anyways, this one is called the Oprah I will attempt to get my referral code and put it in my description box before I post this video. It's amazing how many bloopers I get in such a short video.